No, something nice. I know, I feel like it's been like I don't do the eyeshadow. I already added something in my eyes, so I like this eyeshadow because it's so glittery. I love things that are glittery. Mostly on makeup. Yeah, beauties, and I try to do it around. I I like because I have a bunch of eyeshadows and I haven't used them much. I'm trying to put as the same as the other one. It shows like that, beauties. I love it. This Morphe. I don't know how you guys see this color. So you guys, I'm gonna put it closer. You guys can see how does it look. It looks like this. I like it because it's glittery. It does show the shade of it. I don't know if you guys can see that it's glittery. I'm not using no light. I'm just using my my light of the room. I have a camera, but I haven't used it. So that's how it looks. I like it. I don't know if we'll see how does it work. I just wanted to add it like on this side. What do you guys think about it? I feel like it does work well. I like those colors. They're just so bright and so glittery. It does show a little bit, and I like how it's turning. I feel like I do have a lot of that. Oh my god, I love it. So what I think about this one, I love this eyeshadows. They just work so good with just one time. And I just use like a darker shade. I love it, love it. It's looking nice, beauties. So I just keep on blending it till it changes color. I like it because it not just have like purple, pinkish. It does have greenish. It has brownish. I want to do a makeup for tomorrow with the colors. I have an orange pumpkin. They recommend me this foundation. They told me it's super good, and it just haven't say that it's like a lot, but it does have a better tone for your face. I recommend this product so much because I don't know, it has this yellow tone that helps you with your face to have full matte. And I do have my face really oily. It gets really oily, so I just use this one. I already added something to my face. I've been having a lot of blemishes lately, so my pregnancy, and show you guys how does the tone looks like. I feel like it's been a long time that I don't test products that I use, and I would love to show you guys how does it look. I like this one because it's a yellowish tone. It helps you more So we can, I like it because it does have like a tint that it's really fresh on the face. And like I already added makeup, so I love to use on my neck, so it has the same tone. See how does it look? It looks like this. I bought it at Shane. I hear so many beautiful comments saying that it does helps you a lot with your foundation, the makeup, that it looks nicer. And I'm like, I need to find one because I wanted one of those, so I just get it. And also it's really affordable, so I wanted to get something like nice that helps me put a foundation. I like because it has like this yellowish tone. If you see, guys, I have my face como reddish, como not that reddish, little bit, just a little bit reddish to my face. I don't know if you guys can see how it's looking, how it's different, that it's reddish here and then like it changes color. I can see like yellowish. I don't know about this past years. I feel like I've been improving with makeup and putting makeup more better. I remember one time that I would put makeup and I would just leave here, and I'm like, oh. When I would do the makeup videos, I'm like, I forgot there. I like this foundation so much. I wanted to find some foundation that it does work well on my face, because my face is really oily and it was hard for me to find a foundation. Yeah, I saw bites. I feel like a difference. Ready? With this foundation, I loved it. I put this eyeshadow because I wanted my shirt to be the same as the eyeshadow. I was gonna do it differently, but this time I'm like, I need to try new colors. I don't want to miss no spot to my face. I'm gonna show you guys close how does it look this foundation. I'm just trying to finish and put the makeup correctly. So what do you guys think about this product? You guys can see that it's kind of yellowish. So I think this product it helps me more. It's becoming one of my favorite, like the concealer that. So I love this foundation because it's like a yellowish tone and it helps me more with the makeup. It's like a matte and I like it so much. It's the one that I was looking for. It's perfect. And it's kind of a little tone yellowish. That's why I love this foundation so much, because it's not that I always would look for foundations that are more lighter, guys. This one. So I love this concealer. You guys are gonna see why I love this concealer. It does help me a lot with the under eyes. I do have a lot of under eyes. It shows a lot of dark, and I try to. It's not gonna. There's no concealer that's gonna take everything, but there's some concealer that's gonna help you show it more lesser, and that's why I love this one. It's a vanilla color. It's really beautiful. I think if you bought it, you're gonna be impressed with the result, and you're gonna love this concealer so much. And I haven't added it because I already know this concealer so much. It's since last year, since last Christmas, I bought this one, and it helped me a lot. I use them not just a concealer, I use them for my eyeshadows when I first want to add eyeshadow before. I don't know if you guys can see, it's like a yellowish tone. I loved it. I just put like that, not so much, because I feel like it's a lot of concealer that it has, and if I put more, it's gonna show a lot. But some of you guys do it like more, but it's because they told me it helps more the cover. I love it so much. This concealer is the best. There was this YouTuber, I forgot her name. She added it, and oh my god, I loved how she added it. I'm like, I thought it was not gonna help just a little bit, but I saw that it did help her a lot. I was so greasy. It's not oily, and I have my face really oily. That's why I got so happy when I got this foundation, because when I add this concealer, I mean, it doesn't look like really oily or something for my face. It's fresh, and when you add it, it doesn't tingle, but it does feel fresh, and it does help you a little bit with the imperfections. I loved it so much. I don't know if you guys saw that on my videos when I went to Mexico to visit my parents. I would I would always use this concealer so much doing my shadows. I didn't do a lot of make videos, but hopefully when I go to Mexico, I'm gonna do that. I love this eyeshadow view. Putting lashes extension or other different lashes. I prefer my own to be really straight, long. I know you guys can see a difference. I shows a lot. Well, not a lot, but a little bit. That's how it looks. Shadow, because it's like a pinkish tone. I wanted to create it with this shirt that I have right now. I wanted to create it like more nicer. I wanted to mix other colors so I can combine it, and I love this eyeshadow. I don't know where I left my eyeshadow palette. I was using it right now. It's because I wanted to show you guys the concealer, the foundation, the concealer, mostly more than the eyeshadow. Haven't worked much with eyeshadow colors because I've been busy. By this time, I'm gonna have more time for you guys, beauties. Oh my god, it's hiding. So it's a Murphy. You guys should go get it. I don't know if you guys are into glittery eyeshadows. You want to do glam eyeshadows, and it's perfect for you. You're gonna love the colors. It's items I show you guys, and my honest opinion, what I think about them. I was looking for foundation so many long time, and I'm really glad that I found this foundation. They told me it's one of the best, so I'm like, why not give it a try? And I just guessed my tone. I would suck on checking my tones, and gladly I did.